Now, dear students, look at paragraph number 6. Here Russell is giving his opinion about the potential and probable use of scientific technique by the newly independent state of Asia. He warns the people of Asia that the worst and the most evil use of scientific knowledge has been in inventing horrible and destructive weapons of war. But he hopes that Asians will learn from the mistakes of the West and will use their new power of science and technology for useful purposes. He realizes that it is difficult to predict what Asia will do when it rises as a powerful influence in the world. But he is definite as to what Asia should do to fulfill its responsibilities in the community of nations torn with wars and conflicts. This is in tune with the author's belief that wars should belong to the past. It should find no place on humanity's agenda for the future.